So, what makes one cross valid and what makes one not valid? I'm gonna break down basically what I'll look for. Um, as you can see right now, this is about. It was 9 p.m. when I took this trade, but it's about 11 o'clock right now p.m. And this shows up pretty much around the clock on the day. Like, so it's never as if like the New York session will be better or the Asian will be better. This pretty much shows up. You can get range at any point if you see this setup and it works out. I'm not saying that every time it's 100%, but more often than not, you're gonna get a good one. So this is what I look for. I do a sort of top-down analysis. I start at the 5 minute, and then I go to the 30 minute, and then I look at the 1 hour. And I want basically all of these to be showing and or telling me the same thing. So let me walk you through it. 5 minute, as you can see right here on the MACD, you got a signal cross. We're above the zero line, and on the chart we're above the 200. That's the deep blue line, and then you have the white and black. That's the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. So when they cross, and when the MACD also crosses, and we're above the zero line on the MACD, and we're above the 200 EMA, I'm looking for bullish. I'm not just buying there blindly. I'm looking, okay, I'm saying, okay, this is showing that there's bullish probability. Then I'll go to the 30 and look, this is what I saw on the 30. Right here, if you can look, the 30 did the same thing. So let me tell you something. Honestly, if I was smart, I'm still learning, but if I was smart, I would have set this up to be like a 2-in-1. I would have had a 5 minute trade, and then I would have had a 30 minute trade. And this would have played out on both ends. Of course, hindsight is better than, being in the moment. But on the 30, I also had a really nice buy signal. It was really clean and smooth. So that also showed me that, okay, yes, price is looking to continue. So I go to the 1 hour for my last bias. On the 1 hour, we had a fresh cross. I'm sorry, I've been saying the one on the 4. So disregard all of that. But on the 4 hour, you can see we had a fresh cross. Now we are beneath, but you can be beneath the 200 and price still be going bullish. And let's go back to the 30 minute so I can show you what I mean. Look, you can see we're getting higher highs and higher lows, and right here, this one was a bit of a break, but what did price continue to do? It continued to make higher lows. So I'm like, okay, we're still very much bullish around here. So once I saw the signal, that was basically telling me that volume was stepping in. We're getting some buyers. So I took the chance and I made the trade. And later on in the day, so my position sizes are a little bit smaller, but this trade easily could, if you have the correct account size, this could be a couple of $1,000s. So my account is only about $5,000. So on a day-to-day basis for like trades like these two that you've seen right here play out, these are like $100. So depending on how you're trading, how often that you're trading, you can make anywhere, and depending on how many setups you see. So if I take 2 to 3 setups a day that I see play out and they all make it, I could make somewhere around $300 a day. You may be saying, "Oh, well, that's never," but that actually is that's a lot over the course of a week, over the course of a month. So, yeah, this is all I look for, and I keep it simple. I keep it simple. I watch how much I trade, my volume on my trades. I don't use too much of my margin all at once, and yeah, just follow the rules. Keep it simple. Let it play.